Hey everyone, welcome back to the Spanish Spot. Today we're learning how to tell time in Spanish. In Spanish, when we talk about 1 o'clock, we say es la una en punto. For all the other hours we use son las, it means it's. Example, son las dos, it means it's 2 o'clock. Son las tres, it means it's 3 o'clock. Hours 1 to 12. Let's go through them together. Es la una, it means it's 1 o'clock. Son las dos, it means it's 2 o'clock. Son las tres, it means it's 3 o'clock. Son las cuatro, it means it's 4 o'clock. Son las cinco, it means it's 5 o'clock. Son las seis, it means it's 6 o'clock. Son las siete, it means it's 7 o'clock. Son las ocho, it means it's 8 o'clock. Son las nueve, it means it's 9 o'clock. Son las 10, it means it's 10 o'clock. Son las 11, it means it's 11 o'clock. Son las 12, it means it's 12 o'clock. Adding minutes. Y media means half past. For example, son las 3:30. It means it's 3:30. Y cuarto means quarter past. Son las 5:15. It means it's 5:15. Menos cuarto means quarter to. Son las 8 menos cuarto. It means it's 7:45. AM and PM. In Spanish, we don't usually say AM PM, but we can use de la mañana in the morning, de la tarde in the afternoon, de la noche at night. Examples, son las 8 de la mañana. It means it's 8 a.m. Son las 3 de la tarde. It means it's 3 p.m. Son las 9 de la noche. It means it's 9 p.m. Let's practice. Try saying these. 1 o'clock means es la una. 2:30 means son las 2:30. 4:15 means son las 4:15. 6:45 means son las 7 menos cuarto. 10 p.m. means son las 10 de la noche. Great job! Now you can tell the time in Spanish like a pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Spanish Spot for more Spanish made easy. Keep practicing and see you in the next lesson.